Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-04008 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scott. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to create one sequence with min value, max value and increment by. Okay, so let us see what is going to happen after executing this query here. So here you can see ORA-04008 start with cannot be more than max value. So here what is the problem is, see the start with value. Start with value is 1 or 2. So it is more than max value 100. So maximum value itself 100 only. But here start with is more than max value. So now I am correcting the SQL statement. Now you can see that sequence is created successfully. So this is the fix for ORA-04008 start with cannot be more than max value.